Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. Today we're going to be making a tortellini soup, and if my sound is off, forgive me. My microphone refused to work with my editing site today. I do not know why. I cannot figure it out. Everything is hooked in correctly, so why? But anyways, I'm recording from my headset microphone, so hopefully it doesn't sound too off. But anyways, we're gonna get started in this recipe. So you first want to just chop some spinach, which you saw me already do. And now I'm gonna go ahead and make some meatballs. I'm just gonna season a pound of ground beef with salt, pepper, oregano, and some chili flakes. And then I'm gonna give that a good mix with my hand. And after I'm done that, I'm going to make some little meatballs. I'm going to make them smaller than your average ones you'd make for pasta. So these ones are about, I'd say, 3 centimeters. And we're just going to continue to do that until we run out of meat. Once done, I'll take a nice deep pot and I'm going to heat it over a medium-high heat, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in some olive oil, and we are going to start off by browning our meatballs. You want one even layer, but you don't want to have any stacked, or else it's just going to stop them from browning properly. So if you need to do the step in 2 portions, that's totally fine. To this, we are going to add in a big can of diced tomatoes, as well as an entire box of mushroom broth. You can feel free to substitute the broth with another type that you might like, such as beef or chicken, but I really enjoyed the mushroom in this recipe. Then we're going to go ahead and just season our soup with some salt and some pepper, and we're going to add in a little bit of sugar to just help balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. It was at this point that I remembered that I wanted to add onions, and I'm just going to saute some onions on the side, but if you want to do this all in one pot, I just suggest once your meatballs are browned, take them out, saute your onions up, and then add the meatballs back in. Once my onions are sauteed, I'm just going to add those into my pot and just give it all a really good mix. And then we are going to go ahead and add our tortellini. So I just have a package of cheese tortellini here, and I'm just going to add in the whole thing. If you find that you don't have enough liquid to fully cover all of the tortellini, you can add in some extra mushroom broth or just add in some water to top it off. I'm also going to add in all of our spinach. Yes, it looks like a lot, but it's going to wilt down into nothing. Just give it all a good mix until that spinach has all been coated in the liquid and is starting to break down and wither a bit. And then you're just going to let your soup simmer until your tortellini are cooked through and your meatballs are also cooked through. And then with that, guys, we are all done. This is a perfect winter fall soup. You can have it with some garlic toast on the side, and it just makes for a really easy dinner. And I had lots of leftovers, so I froze some, so it's perfect if you want to make some stowaway meals. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, guys, bye.